Okay, this is going to be a VELIT brand 12 volt AC. This is chosen by the owner of the van. This is the second one that I installed of this brand. First one, it was not that bad. It was easy to install, very similar to Domatic RTX 2000. And as far as the power draws, I think it's a little bit less than the Domatic, but you can read all about it. I'll post the link to this product below. If you choose to pick this one, okay, it's as far as the size, this one fits into a 14 inch square hole, and it comes with the template for the roof for you to install. So we'll take a look at that. So for now, let's just go along with me. I'll show you how to install it, and if you like it, you can learn something from it or see something might be useful information. Go ahead and open it, and this thing comes with, oh look at that crate. It's a crate, wood, very well packaged. There we go, that's a model. Okay, VELIT or 2000 DC air conditioner. Oh man, I have to pry it out. Okay, let me deal with this cover here, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so they did a good job packing these things in the crate, wooden crate. So a quick measurement on this, so you have some idea. The height from the roof, you're looking at 7 inches. Okay, and the width, you will need 32 inches for the width, and then the length, which is front to back, you'll need also 32 on that. So again, 7, 32 by 32, that's an overall length. I want to make sure I have enough room up there. I think I saved about 31 inches, so we'll see if we can make the adjustment. And then in the kit, this the hardware, screws and nuts and bolts here, and then you have a template or a foam. This is you can use it as a template, and also it is a the seal that it's gonna sit on the roof, and the unit will sit on it. You also have the faceplate under the ceiling, okay, which is the what do you call it, the garnish. Okay, a remote control with the menu, some tie wraps, some extra foams. These are for when you have it sit on the roof. You want to put these pieces on each corner or each side to support, so it balances out, because with underneath it's only 14 inches hole, so you have a lot of extra space down here. You might want to put this underneath to support, and it has a double back tape that you can attach to your roof. Okay, and here's a cable. These are the 6-gauge cables with the its own fuse holders in here, and then one positive side. I mean, this is the fuse holder, and then this is connection to the unit itself underneath. So it's a connector in here, and then you will run this whole the double wires through your wall. So as far as the wires, it's not as big as the Matic, and it's more flexible. This way, the Matic, it's all sealed together. This one is a little bit flex, so you can work, you know, inside the wall and all of that. So okay, let's go ahead and make the hole on the roof, and then get this unit up there. Oh, and I forgot, there's also a set of mounting brackets included in here. My measurement is off between the top and the bottom. I miscalculated. So now I have to go with what can I fit on the top, regardless the inside. The inside, I saved that whole cut, but it's a little bit off. If I go by that, the solar panel on top here will not fit. So I rather go fit the solar panel, because I have to play around a lot with this. I have only 1/2 inch of clearance on each side. I still can fit, but the 3 shiplap panels that I already cut the hole, it's gonna have to be replaced. So oops, I don't know how I cut that. I measured that. I think I'm used to like putting the fan where it's centered on that last section there. But anyhow, 3 panels have to be replaced. So as long as I can fit the solar panel, so I fit 2 of the 175 watt solar panels, an AC unit, plus the max air fan. So that's great. According to my calculation, we'll see. Okay, so this is what happened. As you can see, I drew this line over here. That's supposed to be the center, but it's supposed to be here to make it fit. You can see I'm off, so I have to replace these 2 and 3. 14-inch hole has been cut, and I apply the anti-rust protection. This end up on over the rib right here. I kind of shaved this off a little bit, so it contours, you know, over the thing, and then it smooth up here. But I will apply, before this I will apply the Sikaflex 2-to-1 here all around there before and then I be all around it, and then I put that over, and after that I'm going to apply the sealant all around the edges here, just for peace of mind, you know. I apply the sealant around it, the white one here, especially the front. Okay, now I can put the Sikaflex on top here, and then that's when we put the unit over it. So it's gonna compress this down, it's gonna pull it down when you screw it down, and it's gonna make it really tight seal. Okay, this is how it looks from the bottom. So see that screw hole right there? We still have access to screw that, and then the front, here's the screw hole right here, and let's screw it down. Let's see what happens. You got 2 choices of screws. These longer ones depends on the depth of your ceiling, and ours is about 4 inches deep. So So what you can do is you're just gonna screw that into the hole to the unit. There, and then your, oh, I made myself dirty glue, and then your crossbar, your bracket here, it's kind of adjustable here, so you can kind of slide to get it through there, and then you will bolt it from the bottom. There. So these two wires should be exposed like that, so we can connect that, and then we're gonna tie it to inside the ceiling. Okay, perfect. These 4-inch screws is perfect for this ceiling. So as far as this part, I find it easier than the Domatic, because the Domatic, I had a hard time getting into the screw hole on the unit, because it is only a little bit of cleanse. Okay, here's how it looks from the top. Alright, so see my glue there? Yeah, looks good. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Very low profile. Alright, I think it's about 1 inch hanging. So after this, first you're gonna connect your wires. So here are your wires. The 2 connections here connect to here. Okay, and then on the other side with the fuse, you run that and you connect that to your bus bar. Make sure it's not make sure it's straight to your, you know, your bus bar, or straight to your battery on that. And then the garnish, okay, it goes like something like that. Okay, nice, smooth. Yeah, it's about 1 inch or less, maybe a quarter of an inch. And you see the face, it's not even hanging lower than the garnish. So sorry about the noise. For a second. Okay, after that I'm going to the top again and locate where I should place these supporters, foam supporters on the corners, and then come down here, tighten all the screws, 4 screws, and then we should done with this installation, except connecting the wires to the battery. But pretty much this is how you install it. I mean, if you have that muscle, you can lift it up onto the roof by yourself. You can see here, not me, 60 pounds, bring it up there. It was 3 people job. I had 2 people, you know, lifting it up, and I helped pull it up there with somebody holding the tables. Hey, we got it done, and that's it. I think this is it for how to install the this kind of AC unit. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy. I hope it gives you good information if you like to install one yourself, this unit. Let's go to the top and take a look at it again. And thank you for watching. This is Bo. Don't forget, I see you soon. Here's take a look again on the roof. I have the VELIT AC unit, 12 volt, and it's going to be 1 solar panel here, 175 watts, and then another 175, so 2 total, and then the max air fan. As you can see, There's no more room on each one, and this is going to be just enough. Look at that. You got half an inch here, and then on the back crossbar just right there. Okay, thank you everybody.